Well, if you've been paying attention, a theme of our show tonight, Jason, is, the warm winter, how it's been delaying some outdoor activities. But man, we are snapping back to reality this week, huh?
Yeah, Old Man Winter is just going to say it's time. We've been 50s to 60s, spoiled and teased, driving back and forth, commuting. The roads are clear. Southern Maine, mostly, at the coast. Right. Obviously, if you head up north. But even, I was up Lewis and Auburn, I was up in New Sharon, and yes, it is clear. So it is, the roads are mostly clear. It's been cloudy and warm. It's going to stay that way tomorrow by February standards. Then we get one weak system to come through late Tuesday. That's going to make a mess of the evening commute. And then we have a snow day Thursday to Friday. That's going to make a big time mess of the morning commute, evening commute Thursday, morning commute Friday. So we're snapping back to reality. I like that. I'm stealing that, Sam. That's a good one there. So we're all clear now, really just some light precip moving up down east up through Eastport. It really is about the south wind. We're still in this warm pattern here. 40s typically is in the teens and lower. Wind out of the south right now. So there's going to be fog, especially along the coastline. I'll call it seasonably on the cool side, if you want to call it that. But here's the high pressure. It's the driver, basically the engine pulling up this warm air from the mid-Atlantic. That's happening now. It will continue overnight into the day tomorrow, as you'll see here in the hour-by-hour forecast. I'll go ahead and stop things at 7 a.m. 40s to start the day, a good 20, 25 degrees above average. And then the afternoon, you'll see a little wave here of some moisture. This is nothing. Showers, Rockland, Bangor, not going to add up to all that much. Now, let's fast forward to Tuesday. 6 o'clock, I'll stop it here. Here's that leading edge of the snow, western Maine. And then by Tuesday evening, the commute is messy, late commute. And especially as you move up mid-coast and down east where it's going to be past the evening commute, but still messy. For that system on Tuesday, ending Wednesday morning, but really Tuesday, an inch or two away from the southern coast here, even as much as 3 up in Calais, but that is it. It's not a major system, probably won't even need to really do much shoveling, probably not even plowing. However, Thursday morning waking up, this is much bigger. We have the wind out of the north and northeast here. Not a nor'easter, but a northeasterly breeze. Cool air is coming down, and that means snow battling with ice and then rain as you head down south of Boston. Okay, so that's a snapshot of the storm. I'm not going to do that one for snow amounts yet. I don't have that, but what I can tell you is I'm very confident it's a plowable storm pretty much the whole state for the Thursday and Friday one. Here is the hour-by-hour quick look at things here as you see. Thursday morning at 7 o'clock, it is snowing from Bangor down to Portsmouth. And it's in basically the teens and 20s. So you get the idea here. This is going to be a big-time storm. It's going to snow pretty much all day Thursday and Friday morning. So get ready now. It's Maine, it's February, we can handle it, but definitely gets us back to reality. Seas 4 to 5 feet, wind southwest 5 to 15 knots, gusting to 20. Let's do the forecast next 7 days. I talk about food a lot here, so I'm going to do the burger analogy again. We give a system on Tuesday. That's the top of the burger, the middle of the burger, the actual meat. That's Thursday. That's the main event. And then Saturday, Sunday, light shower, snow shower activity. Could be several inches, but we'll have to wait and see about that. So there's your bottom of the burger, right? The middle of the burger, the meat of the burger. And if you're vegetarian, you can do a mushroom burger, that's fine. But what you have here is Thursday's the day, right? Thursday's the day where things are going to be canceled. You're going to have more problems getting around. But look, we can do it. It's Maine. It's just back to reality. That's a typical February day around here.
Right. And Jason, I have to admit, I can't take credit for the snap back to reality. That was Eminem.
Oh. Well,
But shout out to Eminem.
Yeah, shout out.
All right, Jason. Thank you.